Hacker Man. He's the most powerful hacker of all time.
Fight back! Fight back! Fight back! Fight back!
What the dog do?
Hi.
Huh?
Shut your bitch ass up, nigga. Bitch ass thing, you shut the fuck.
You son of a bitch.
Ah, didn't see you there. Me and my buddy here have been expecting you. Oh, excuse me, I've got some pussy hair on me. Check that shit out.
Reese's Puffs, eat 'em up, beat 'em up, beat 'em up, beat 'em up. Reese's Puffs, eat 'em up, beat 'em up, beat 'em up, beat 'em up. Cool guys don't look at explosions.
Never speak of this.
Huh?
Ocean.
You'll never catch me, Crabs. Not when I shift into maximum overdrive. Hi-ya! I knew I should have gotten the turbo.
No, this doesn't make any sense.
Know my power. I'm rich, rich, rich! My dog has his own jacuzzi!
Don't you do it.